Welcome back, everyone. It is 2024. We're basically a year and a half into the explosion of ChatGPT and other large language models. I mean, it's kind of funny. You think back, a year and a half ago, ChatGPT was the one. Now we got Gemini and Bard and AIs coming up with their ones. It's exploding everywhere, everywhere, every industry, including trading. So that being said, my name is Tim Bowen, lead trader with Stocks to Trade, and today we're going to be diving into the future of trading with artificial intelligence. As I mentioned a second ago, this is getting into everything. Listen, I don't care what you do. I don't care if you're a landscaper or a coder or a plumbing company. You need to be studying AI in your spare time because it is going to take over literally every single industry in the economy. Now, I'm not saying you have to be an expert. Okay, I'm not saying you have to be an AI expert, but you need to understand what it is and how to use it in your business, okay? Whether you're writing announcements or ad copy or analyzing market conditions, it is going to be in every single industry, so study it. Now, today we're going to be talking about trading. So as traders, it's crucial to stay ahead of the curve. What that means is understanding how AI or any technology, listen, you look at trading, you go back to the 70s when the NASDAQ launched. You think of technology, like one of the first massive applications of big computers, servers, mainframes, etc., was the stock market. If you recall, or maybe some of you don't know this, the NASDAQ was an electronic exchange from the beginning. Day one, it was on computers. You think back to the NYSE and all the guys yelling and throwing the tickets. Like the application of a lot of these mainframes that took them into the mainstream was data processing and the stock market. So then you go into algorithms, okay? For a decade now, we've been using trading algorithms. Oracle, we have the number one day trading algorithm built into Stocks to Trade. If you're interested, hit that link below. We'll have a link to the trial. You can check it out. Check out the Oracle algorithm, by far and above the number one day trading algorithm out there. And now we proceed into artificial intelligence and large language models, and we probably won't stop there. Well, I guess if the AI goes like full Terminator on us and builds robots and kills us, we might not move on to the next level, but I'm generally an optimist and I think we'll figure it out. But the thing is, once AI happens, there's going to be something else. There's going to be future generations of AI. Technology never sits still. So always being ahead of the trend gets you out in front of the opportunities so you can beat the other guy in the market. So there's a lot of buzz around ChatGPT, but I prefer customized ways to leverage this power, like Stocks to Trade proprietary AI system. Like what we did is we used large language models and the ChatGPT engine to actually build a trading artificial intelligence on top of that. It's called Iris Analytics. And what's crazy about Iris is, I trained this thing. It took about 6 months to train the AI. I did countless webinars. And then what we did is we took these webinars, basically I did educational trading webinars, and then we converted them to text. So we speech to text them and then fed them in the large language model, and it was wild. Like this is one of the most exciting times of my trading and software career. Like remember, I used to own a technology company before I retired and went into trading full time, then joined Stocks to Trade. But like watching this thing learn and get better over those months, I'll never forget it. It was crazy. And to see the gains that it made, and now you can literally talk to this thing just like, basically like a person. You feed it tickers, it breaks down support and resistance levels, it breaks down the fundamentals, it analyzes the charts, it gives you entries and exits. It's insane. And watching it be trained, like I said, I'll never forget it. And AI in trading involves using advanced algorithms and machine learning, just like we did with Iris, to analyze market data, predict market trends, and execute trades at optimal times. AI in trading isn't just about automation. It's about enhancing decision-making with deep market insights. Now, while ChatGPT has shown some potential in crafting trading strategies, you can't ask it about stocks like Iris does. Like if you ask ChatGPT about a stock, it basically says, Google it, okay? Iris is built on top of these large language models to actually give you useful data. And it takes it a step further by integrating AI directly into the trading platform, offering you a competitive edge. Iris uses ChatGPT and OpenAI APIs for detailed analysis, trend predictions, and personalized trading strategy. It's about making complex data understandable and attainable for traders of all levels. Now listen, one of the best ways to leverage Iris within and AI is with these conversational interactions. You can use Iris's conversational AI capabilities to ask questions or explore trading scenarios literally in real time. This feature is designed to make trading more accessible, provide answers and insights with the sophistication of the ChatGPT technology underlying. News sentiment, like one of the biggest struggles for newer traders is interpreting news. Like, is this good news? Is this marginal news? Is this bad news? How good is the news? Like, if a stock is up 20% on news, well, is the news good enough to carry it higher? It's a struggle. Like, I was there. I remember. I'm like, well, I don't really know how to read this contract or this SEC filing. And what's great with Iris is it does it for you. I taught it how to do it. So you can stay ahead of market trends with Iris's news and sentiment analysis to break that all down for you literally in real time. This tool analyzes financial news to gauge market sentiment, helping you make informed decisions based on the latest information. It's a powerful way to understand the potential impact of news on trading strategies. List screeners. Like I know a lot of you have stock screeners, but you don't know if you're looking for the right stuff. What we did with Iris is we actually created a language model stock screener. So you can tell this thing, show me artificial intelligence stocks breaking out, show me energy stocks with high volume. Like, you can ask it these questions instead of struggling with all those criteria in your screener. And with unprecedented precision, because it's actually thinking. It's not just a plain code sitting there giving you a bunch of random results. It can actually hone in. And thanks to OpenAI's APIs, this screener understands your queries in natural language. You don't have to know how to code or build these screeners. You can just ask it. And that offers results that align with your investment goals. And listen, comprehensive analysis, like as I mentioned, breaking down the charts and the fundamentals and the SEC filings. With Iris, you're not just getting predictions, you're not getting a bunch of stocks. You're getting a system that evaluates news, sector performance, technical charts, and more that offers you a detailed plan complete with entries, exits, risk management, and potential goals. I know a lot of you are struggling with writing trade plans. You hear me say it all the time. Have a plan, write a trade plan. Iris writes you a trade plan. So you can either use that trade plan or you can learn from it. Like, listen, you can see what Iris thinks are good entries, exits, stop losses, and goals, and actually learn nights and weekends when the market's closed. So listen, you can also tailor Iris to your trading needs. You can take advantage of its fine-tuning capabilities to ensure the AI models are perfectly aligned with your trading style, objectives, and customization. And that guarantees that Iris not only delivers general market insights, but also advice tailored to your specific trading goals. So that being said, guys, Iris Analytics is an absolute killer AI trading system. And with Iris Analytics powered by advanced technologies, including ChatGPT, OpenAI APIs, Stocks to Trade is redefining what's possible in the trading world. From analyzing news sentiment to screening stock with unprecedented accuracy, Iris equips you with the tools you need to navigate the market confidently. Embrace the future of trading with Iris and let the AI guide you. That being said, guys, I recently did a 1-hour presentation breaking down everything that Iris does underneath, on top, demos, past results, the track record, everything. It's a 1-hour webinar. It's 100% free. Hit that link, check it out. You can watch it within minutes. You hit that link, go to it. You can start watching it right now or whenever you have time. Check it out. Iris is absolutely incredible. And what's great is it's never done. This thing is continuing to learn and grow every day and get better every day. Best way to really refine your process, check out Iris, check out that webinar. 100% free, by the way.